Welcome to this amazing MailChimp course. This course is for people who are doing blogging, and also if you have e-commerce store. What you will learn in this course: you will learn how to professionally create pop-ups and newsletter forms that will help you to collect emails. In this course we will also teach how to create automated emails. So for example, if the new visitor purchased from your website, you can automatically send thank you email to your new customers, and in that thank you email you can offer him more upsells for more profit. If any visitor left your cart without paying you, then you can send that visitor an abandoned cart email to make him purchase from your website. This will help you to prevent losses. You will learn how to create engaging templates that convert actually in MailChimp. Also, there are many things like scheduling emails, create coupons, and many more. I promise after you will complete this course you will be completely satisfied with the knowledge rendered inside this course. So what's holding you back, my friend? This course has 30 days money back guarantee as well. Enroll now. I will see you inside this course.
Hey guys, if you have taken any of our courses on Udemy, so people generally complain us that I speak, very fast. So guys, do not worry that here you have the option to decrease or increase the speed. So if you think that I speak very fast in the lectures, so make sure you guys can decrease the speed of the player so that uh, you can make this video play in a slow speed. Okay, so for that you can use this setting. So people generally put bad reviews in our courses just because of this that we speak very fast. So make sure that you have setting. If you will use this setting, so you can just change the speed. Okay, so if you're finding I speak very fast, so just go ahead and slow down the speed. Okay, and if you have any questions, so just go to this Q&A and just question us whatever you want, and we will going to answer you. Okay, so this was the thing guys I want to tell you, because it's very important that people generally shout or put bad review on our courses just because of this. Okay, so hope if you ever face this issue, so make sure you can just change the speed. Okay, so this was the thing guys I want to tell you regarding this video. So now we will first going to create our account in MailChimp. You simply have to search mail, CHIMP. If Udemy will going to allow me, I will also put the link in resources page. So this is the link, that is https://mailchimp.com. You simply have to click here. And after you will click here, you will see this option, sign up for free. You simply have to click here. Then it will going to ask you for your email address. So for example, this is one demo account which I have created. So this is my email. I will simply going to copy the email and I will paste the email address over here like this. Okay, password, whatever you want to put, you can put the password, and here just accept this all cookies. And now here MailChimp is asking you, do you want to receive emails that are related to products, best practices or special offers? If you want emails from them, you can take this option, otherwise leave it. Just click on sign up. Now you have to open your account. You have to go to your Gmail, and here you will see we have this mail from MailChimp. Just open it, and from here just make sure that you click on activate account, and then it will show I'm not a robot. You simply have to click here. Then you make sure that you choose this free plan. From here you will going to get maximum of 2000 contact for free. You can send around 10,000 emails. So this is the plan you need to choose on. Then click on next. Then you have to write your name. So for example, this is demo, so I will write Mohan Kunal, business name Mohan Kunal. I can put the website URL. It's totally optional. You can put it. It's totally up to you. So this is my website, that is amazon.bingcommerce.in. I will just copy the URL of this website This is total affiliate website. If you also want to create, I will provide the link in very down in bonus section. After you will copy the link, just paste the link URL here. Then you just do not need to do anything. Then click on continue. It will ask for postal code, addresses. So I can write, for example, 63 by 2, city, village, state. Okay, it is optional. Postal code like this, country, India, and then click on continue. Do you have list of contacts? So if you already have email list of your clients, then you can go for yes. But I want to tell you everything from start, so I will choose no. Then click on continue. Here make sure that everything is not tick. Only thing you have to tick mark is services, for example. Then click on continue. From here also you do not need to tick mark anything right now. Just click on skip. Then again just untick this thing if you want to. Then click on continue. So friends, we have successfully created our account in MailChimp. So it was super simple. Now we will going to create our audiences, or we will do some settings that are related to audience. So here you can see there are lots of tabs: audiences, campaigns, automations, website, content studio, integration, search, etc, etc. So right now we have to go with audience. Click on audience. Then you will see that by default one audience has been created. So inside this audience we have one contact of our email which we have used to sign up inside our account. So it is by default created by MailChimp. Okay, now what you first need to do, you need to click on manage audience, and from here just go to settings. Let's do some settings of our audience. Now from here you will see this audience name and default. You simply have to click here, and from here friends, right now our Mohan Kunal is selected. So I will suggest whatever brand name you have, you write that brand name over here. For example, my is Bing Commerce, so I can go with Bing Commerce affiliates. Simple. So this is the thing you need to keep in mind. Now just scroll down here, you will see this form settings. So make sure that you enable double opt-in. Now what is this? When we have signed in our MailChimp, so they have sent one email in our Gmail so that we can verify our email address. So you remember that this is the email we have got. So when we have clicked, so our account has activated. So this type of email are sent just for a confirmation purposes. So you can see, for example, in this website, my blog website, here you can see this is the sign up newsletter. So whenever someone will put their first name and email address, and then they will click on I'm excited to sign up, we will going to send one confirmation email to them in the email address which he will going to put it here. It's similarly like MailChimp. Here you can see when we have created account, just for a confirmation purpose, MailChimp has sent one email in to the email which we have put it in MailChimp. So for these purposes, we go for this double opt-in. If you will untick this, so what will going to happen if someone will going to sign up inside your newsletter? So he will immediately going to add to your list. So I will highly suggest that you enable this option, but it's totally up to you, your choice. If you want to, you can do that. Now scroll down here, you will see the campaign defaults. So right now if I will open any of the email, here you can see this is the name MailChimp client services. So whenever you send your email, so what you want to see your customers to see at very top here, so you can put that name over here. For example, I write again, let's say Bing Commerce affiliates, you can put like this, and from which email address. So right now you can see they have sent me from this email address, client services @mailchimp.com. So this is the professional business name. So you can also put this professional business name for your own business. Now in resources page, I will provide you a link on how you can create one professional business email for your business. But I already have my customer @Kunal Lonare.co.in. So whenever someone will going to send me one message with this email address, I will be able to receive their email address, and this MailChimp will going to send emails with the help of this email address. So this is my professional email address. You can also have yours. For example, in my case, I have also one email address, that is support@bingcommerce.in. You can also provide your professional email address here. So watch that video in resources page, so you will be able to create one professional email address for yourself. Now here we have this default email subject. So whenever you send any emails to your customers, one subject line will be by default, but I will suggest do not put this, because when you put and send same email address with same subject line again and again, so your emails can go to spam, so your clients will never going to receive your emails. So do not do anything here. Then here comes new subscriber notification. So for example, if someone comes to my website and if he fills this newsletter information, so if as a owner of the website, if I want to receive this notification that someone has signed up to your newsletter, so you can do this from here. Now here is one by one. So for example, if you will put your email address, for example, if I will put this email address over here, so what will happen, whenever any person will going to sign up, I will again and again going to receive notification that this person has signed up to your newsletter. Mr. X has signed up in your newsletter, Mr. Z has signed up in your newsletter, Mr. P has signed up in your newsletter. So this is the one by one method. Now summary, if you will put your email address here, so what will going to happen, for example, I will put this email address here. So MailChimp will going to send me email in this email address by giving the summary of how much total emails I have got in one day. So it will give you summary and it will give you one by one notification. So whatever you want, you can go it. But right now I won't do anything, but you put the email address over here. Then I will click on save audience and campaign details. Now after doing this, we will going to learn how you can set up templates. So what is template? So you can see that whenever you get this type of template, so these are the templates you will going to get from freelancers. You can see this is the beautiful templates. So if you also want to create some templates, how you can do this inside MailChimp? So you simply have to go to campaigns. From here you people will going to see this email templates. Just click here. Right now you don't have any templates, so to create templates, just click on create template. Now here you will be able to see there are lots of templates which you can use. Okay, so you can go with themes also if you want to. If you want to do some coding and create your template, you can also do this. So right now I will go with layouts. Now here you can see whenever if you will hover on any of these templates, it will show upgrade to use. That means these are pro. You need to pay to use these templates. Here we have free templates as well. For example, if you will go to featured, this one is free, this one is free, you can use this. In basic you have this free, this free. So for this example I will go for this free one. I will click here. So I will going to get this interface. Now this is the free. Okay, you can even use paid one if you want to. So you first need to upgrade to pro, then only you will be able to use other paid templates, but free is enough for you for beginners. Now friends, from here you can customize each and everything. For example, here you can see if you want this gray background, you can do this. Just go to your styles, from here select page. Now from here just select the background color and you can see you can change it. For example, I will put red, so your background will going to change to red. Now if I want to turn to this, so this will going to change like this. For example, if you want to change this design, you can do this. Just click on this edit button, pencil button, and from here just select body. From here just change the body color. So you can see you can also change the body color if you want to. For example, I want pink like this, or I can just go for a light pink like this. Again you can go back if you want to change the footer color, so you can just go to footer. From here also you can change the background color of the footer. For example, I want to add this. So whatever you can do from here, you can do. It's totally free. Okay, you can just play around these settings and you can do just lots of settings you want. But for example, let's make it white only. White will look far more better here. Okay, again go back. Here you will see other different styles. You can choose that. So friends, after you will do this, just go to blogs. From here also you can just customize these headers and everything. For example, you can see this is looking very great. So this type of things you can do in MailChimp also. But right now what they did actually, they have made everything paid. So in free you will going to get very less features. So what you can do, there is one trick. You can just open one tool that is called as Canva. Just go here. This is the website. I will also provide the link in resources page. Just click here, click on sign up with Google. You can also put your email if you want to. After you will come here, you simply have to click on this, maybe later, create a design, and from here you have to click on this custom size, and here you can write for header 1280 into 450 pixel, or you can just make it 400 for example. And after you will do this, just click on create a new design. So when you will come here you will see there are by default templates which you can use in your template. So for example, you can select this, but you can also create custom. So for example, if you want to put, if you will click on text, from here also you can import by default one, for example like this. You can also go with this text here, you can just customize it, write it whatever you want. You can change the color from here. For example, I will put this, I can change to red. So this is how you can play around these two. It's very easy, drag and drop. And for example, if you will click on this red background, so from here also you can change the color to background, whatever you want, you can do that. But for example, for this purpose, I will just delete everything and I will go for a template. Let's put this template. Okay, so you can see this template has come here, and from here you can just change. For example, my website name is being commerce, for example. You can similarly change that, just increase it, sign up today, and everything is almost same. You want, if you want to, you can change it. Okay, or you can also change the things. For example, I will write here SEO tips. I can make the size increase like this. Now I can even drag it like this if you want to. Okay, so this is how you can just play around this. You can also change the color. If you will select the here, you will see you can change color to this one, this one. I will make it by default. It is looking cool. Now after you will play around this, just do everything you want. You can also delete it, just right click it, and from here you can delete it. Okay, so there are lots of different things you can do from here. So after you will design this, just click on download and click on this download button. So now you will see that this file will going to download. So you can see this is downloaded. Okay, now you again have to come to your MailChimp. Just click on this logo here, and okay, after you will click here, you will going to see this option. Click on replace, click on uploads. From here we have downloaded this file in download section. You can also see that file will be downloaded in your computer's download section. So you can see now this image has been uploaded. Okay, so you can also customize your image and make it more beautiful like this stuff. Okay, very simple. Now friends, here for example, if you will see here, you have this gap and it is showing white. So in case if you want to make it full, so you can also do it. If you will go to settings here, if you will click on this S2S, so you will see that margin will going to go. Now it is looking more amazing. You can also change it if you want to. And after you will do this, click on save and close. So friends, you can also change the content. If you will click here your mouse, so now you can see you can just add headings. Okay, you can change the content if you want to. For example, if you want to change the color of the layout, you can click here, you can change the layout color. You can see like this. You can make this thing bold, italic, underline. So you can see you can do everything. So it's very simple and easy to use, and I know most of you guys are familiar with this. For example, if you want to link this layout to something else, so if you will select layout, and for example I want it to layout with my this Bing Commerce website, I will copy the URL like this. I will go to template, and you will see this option of linking. So first of all, whatever text you want to link. So for example, if I will choose this layout, if I will click on this button of link, then I have to paste the URL. So whatever URL way you will going to paste here. So whenever someone will click on the on that layout, he will going to go to this URL. Then click on insert. So now friends, you can see that this has been added as link. That means whenever someone will going to click on this layout, he will be able to go to this website. Okay, so this is how this works, and you can do almost all of the settings if you want to. You can align it, you can center align it, you can left align it, you can right align it. You can make this text come in between like this. Okay, so whatever you want, you can do this. From here you can change the font. For example, I want Georgia, you can change it to Georgia. You can change it to this text whatever it was, and you can even change to size. For example, I changed to 18. You can decrease it, whatever you want. You can do this totally customizable. You have all the authority to do whatever you want. Now friends, you can also do lots of other features. So if you will click on save and close, now you will see you can add images here. So for example, if you will put image here, so you will see you will going to get this image option. From here you can upload the image. You can link this image with any of your course, product, whatever you want. But here in this free version, you will not going to get two settings. For example, if I will show you with some live example, let me open any of the other emails. Let's say Amazon Web Services, they have very simple email. Linktree, Okay, all has made simple, so you can also add simple. So what you can do, you can again go to canva.com. Similarly, from here right now you can change it to 900 by 800. Click on create a new design. So I'm telling you one trick that you can use to make your template look more amazing. Now you can add things, or you can do lots of other things. So you can see here are some templates you can use again. So for example, for this purpose, you can see I have some beautiful blocks here. I can choose these blocks if I want to. So for example, let's me take one screenshot to make you guys understand. So these are the two screenshots which I have done. So I will just going to crop this so that I can make you understand what I am trying to say. So this is the one image and this is the second image. So okay, all done, crop. Now you can see friends, these two image has been created. So what you can do, you can go to Canva and you can import your images here. So just go to uploads, click on upload media, click on device, and these are the two images in our desktop. This image and this image, I will click on open. So now you can see these two are the images which we have just now created. You can click this image. Now you can just drag this image like this, and similarly you can do this for everything. For example, you have some courses and if you want to promote it, you can also do this. So for example, right now let me add one heading, Ali Express plugin, okay, like this. For example, now you can just increase or decrease it. For example, let me put like this. Okay, you have done this. Now friends, here you will see one option of duplicate page. You can see this is the duplicate page. Just click here. Now for example, same has been done here. So what you can do, you can just click here, remove it, go to uploads. Now this is the image which you have put. Just put the image like this, and here you can write blog ideas. Okay, you can change the color. For example, you can change it to, let's say, yellow. Wow, looking great. You can also change it to yellow if you want to. Click on here, change it to yellow. Now yellow is looking somehow great. It will also going to match with my template. Now here you can provide links. So how you can do that, just again go to text. Here you will see add a subheading. You can drag this here. Now here you can write read more like this. You can take this read more here. You can similarly copy this and you can just paste it over here. Okay, like this. You can make it central align if you want to. Okay, everything is looking great. Or what you can do, you can just put this here, read more, or you can write watch more. For example, if you want to link it with any of your videos, you can do this. For example, I want, just for a demo purpose, I want you to show it watch video like this. You can even link it with your courses, products, or anything. Okay, so you can do lots of things. So let me make it red color. Red is looking great, or we can make it bolder like this. Okay, so now this is looking great, so you can just make it red also. Again, make it bolder. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to download these two files again. So just click on downloads, and from here just select these two, click on done and click on download. So after it will going to get download, you simply have to again go to your template. From template, just click on first save and continue. Now friends, this is the thing which we have put in earlier. Just delete this. Now you will see this image group option. Drag this image group here. So now you will see this option. So from here just click on upload an image, click on upload, and again just go to downloads, or let's go to desktop. Okay, so these are the two images which we have put. Click on open. So now you can see these two are the images which we are putting. Okay, great. So now what you can do, you can just select this image, click on insert. Now friends, you will be able to see that this is the image which we have put it here. Okay, so you can do this if you want to. Same, for example, now if you want it to link with any of your products or your videos, so what you can do, you can just go to YouTube. This is my YouTube channel, 12k plus followers. Click on videos, and where is that video, AliExpress dropshipping. I will copy the link address of this video, and here in this image I will going to see this link option, paste the link here and click on insert. Now you can see when someone will click on this image, he will be able to go to your this video. Okay, now similarly, for example, if you will want to put to this image, just go and click on upload an image. This was the video, no sorry, this was the video, and after you will select this video, click on insert. So this is the image. Again, you can just link it with something else. For example, I will link this blog with this one. I will click the blog. This is the link. Now friends, if you also want to create this blogging website, blogging professional website, you can also create. I will provide the link of this course at very down bonus section. So just copy the link, just go to your templates and from here click on link and paste the link here and you are all done. Okay, now similarly, if you will see, now everything is done, click on save and continue. Now you will see this footer option, just select this, and now you can see you can provide the social of your business. So for example, here you can see we have different services. Here is the Twitter. For example, I want it to change to, let's say, Instagram. Okay, now you can see here it will going to show Instagram. So I have Instagram profile, that is Instagram Being Commerce Official. So now friends, you can see this is my Instagram page. You can follow us, 59,000 plus followers. You can just copy the link, just go to your MailChimp. From here you will going to see this is the URL, just replace it with your file URL. Again, here we have our Facebook page. You can see 100k plus followers who follow us on our Facebook page. You can also copy the link, you can paste it the link over here like this, and from here you can provide your website. You can even add more services. If I will click here, if I want to change it to, let's say, where is YouTube, man, YouTube, this is the YouTube. I will go to my YouTube channel. This is the URL of my YouTube channel. Just copy the URL and paste the URL here like this. You can also provide the website link. It's very easy. For example, in this case, let me provide my blog link. So this is the link of my blog page. Go here and I will going to provide it here, and after you will do this, click on save and continue. So for example, you have done everything. So if you will click on this preview and test, if you want to preview it, just simply click on 1. So now friends, you can see this is the preview how your email will going to look. It is looking very amazing. If someone will click here, they can watch my video. If someone will click here, they can see my images, everything. You can see how it will going to look in mobile like this. Okay, it is looking very professional. You can see in inbox it will look like this, but okay, inbox is a paid version, so you can't see in inbox. Otherwise everything is great. Just remove it, or let's say first click on save and exit. Okay, at very bottom right you will see save and exit. Just click there, and from here you can name the template. For example, this is one demo template, then click on save. So friends, you can see you have created your template. So you can create more templates if you want to. Okay, it's very easy, but right now I will only but right now I just want to show how this template stuff works and how you can customize your templates. It's very easy. You can even edit it, you can even delete it if you want to, you can replicate it, whatever you want, you can do that. So now we will going to connect our website with MailChimp, so that whenever someone put their email address and sign up for a newsletter or anything, their information comes to MailChimp. So we need to connect our MailChimp as well as our website. Now for example, here you can see this is the blog website which I have created. If you guys are interested to create this professional blogging website, here others can also write blog for you with the help of guest posts, and totally amazing website. Okay, you can create it. We have also put this form with the help of MailChimp. Also we have one website of how you can create one beautiful professional website like Flipkart. Okay, so if you also want to create this type of website, then you can create this type of website very easily and for absolutely free. Also there is one online course website. Okay, so this website's main benefit is that it totally looks like Udemy, so you will going to have very high conversion rate as well. So guys, if you want to create this type of website, all the 3 website links on how you can create this type of website, blogging website, shop website, as well as online course website, I provided the link in very down in bonus section of this course. So from there you can see and learn how you can build these professional websites. Now, for example, I want to connect my this website, okay, with MailChimp. How I can do that? It's very easy. First, you need to go to the admin panel of this website. So for example, if you all know that if you are a WordPress operator, so whatever website you have, you simply have to write your website name, then you have to put hash, then you have to write wp the hyphen or and admin. So you have to add this much at end of your website, and then you can go to your admin panel of the website. So I am already logged in inside my WordPress website. Now you need to install one plugin to connect your MailChimp with your website. So for example, this is the plugin. Click on add new, and from here just search for one plugin called as MailChimp. Mail, CHIMP, MailChimp. Now friends, here you guys will going to see this is the plugin, okay, MailChimp plugin by Ibercode. You simply have to install this plugin. So click on install now and then click on activate. So friends, you can see that this plugin has been installed. You can see MailChimp for WordPress. Okay, so what you can do, first refresh your website, then most probably at very down you will going to see this plugin icon. Just hover here and from here just click on MailChimp. And friends, for example, just remove this. Now you need to provide one API key. So in your scenario it may show empty, so here you need to provide API key for your MailChimp. It's very easy how you can get API key. Just go to your MailChimp account, just click on your logo here, and from here actually from this down logo just click here, then you will see this option of account. Just click there, then go to extras and then click on API keys. Just scroll down, here you will see one option called as you don't have any active API key. Just click on create a key. Then friends, just scroll down, here you guys will see this is your API key. You simply have to copy this API key like this and just go to your WordPress and paste your API key here like this and click on save changes. So now friends, your MailChimp is successfully connected with your this website. So this is how you can easily connect your MailChimp and your website. It's super simple. Now friends, we need to create a form and pop-ups. So it is very easy to create your forms to collect emails, and also you can create pop-out forms so that whenever someone will come to your website, one pop-out will come and it will ask them for email address. So how you can do that? So you simply have to go to forms here in MailChimp section. Just go to forms. So after you will click there, here you will come to this section. Here you have to name your form. For example, I will name it form 1, and then you simply have to click on add new form. Now friends, this is the thing, it is created. Very simple, very easy. Now what you need to do, you need to just hover here and you have to simply visit your website. Now friends, after you will visit your website, you simply have to click to customize. So friends, after you will come here in your website, according to your website, every website have this thing of custom CSS option. You simply have to click here. Now friends, here you will see some sort of codes. You have to just go here like this. Now in download section, I have provided you one CSS file. This is the CSS file which I have provided you. You simply have to copy this code. So for example, here you can see this is the code. So I will going to copy this code. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, so I will simply going to copy this code from here. I will simply copy this code. I will go here to CSS and I will going to paste that code here like this. It's very easy. Then you simply have to click on publish. Now you again have to go to your forms, and now when you will scroll down friends, here you will going to see we have provided more two codes. You simply have to copy this code like this. After you will copy these friends, here in the form you have to just go here and here you will see this required. You simply have to paste that code over here. So just paste it like this. So this has been pasted, just give an space bar. So friends, you can see that your class equals to this code which we have copied has been pasted over here like this. Now similarly you have to do with this code. You simply have to copy this another code like this. Again you have to come here and here you guys will going to see this values option. So friends, what you need to do, you need to again paste that code before value. Just paste this code, give an space bar. So you can see friend that we have pasted this code again, that is class equals to dash MC button. Okay, and similarly we have done with top. It's very easy. you just have to go to your website first, then you have to click on customize, then go to css file. From here you have to copy this much of code. You can see this code. Just copy this total code and paste it over here, and you simply have to, and then you have to copy this code and you have to paste this code before required, and similarly copy second code and paste it before value. And after you will do this, just click on save changes. So now friends, you can see this is the code which we have got. Now you can put this code wherever you want to. So suppose this is the code, you have copied it. Now for example, you can see that this is the blog section. So for example, I want to paste this code in this sidebar. So how you can do that? It's very simple. Just go to appearance, then click on widgets. Then friends, you will going to see there are lots of widgets. So just scroll down, just scroll down friends, maybe here or there. Okay, so you can see this is the form, MailChimp sign up form, and from here just select default sidebar, click on add widget. Now it is added, click on done, and now just refresh your website. Now friends, after you have refreshed your website, now you can see that this form has been added. Similarly friends, you can do everything here. So for example, here you can see this is now in blue color. So if you want to change the color of this, so here I will provide one link in the sources page of this website. Here you can see different colors. So for example, if you want this purple color, okay, so you simply have to copy this code if you want to change the button to purple. Okay, again just go to your customize option, and from friends, here you will going to see this is the background color. You can see here we have this background color. You simply have to replace that with your code which you have copied it. Just click on paste. When you will do this, you will be able to change the color of this button. So this is how this works. Now if I give you another example, so for example, if you want to paste this thing in any of your page or post, so simply for example, if you are going to post, or let's say click on add new, it's very simple. For everything you just have to paste that code wherever you want to. Cross this is the page. So for example, let's give this page demo, and you have to click on this plus button. From here just search shortcode like this. Now this is your shortcode. Just copy this shortcode and paste the shortcode over here like this. Simple. Click on publish again. Now just view this page. Now you will able to see that form in this page like this. So you can even paste that in your post and almost every place wherever you want to. Everything is same. If you want to put that forms in your, let's say, post, so again go to post, you will see this plus button. Just go and search shortcode and paste that shortcode there. Then you will be able to see that form in your post as well. So this is very super simple to use this tool. Okay, so just update it, and let's go to homepage again, or backend of our website. So now we will going to create pop-up. It's very easy again to do pop-up in your website. You have to install one more plugin. Click on plugin, click on add new. Then from here just search HUSTLE Hustle. This is the plugin name, Hustle. Then here you will see this plugin by WPMU Dev. Click on install now. Then friends, click on activate. So this plugin has successfully installed. Here you will going to see one option of Hustle. So first of all, you have to click on this Hustle. And friends, when you will click on Hustle, you will see this notification. Click on get started. Now here you have to select what you want. So we want pop-up. If you want to embed, if you want social share, slide in, whatever you want, you can go for it. But in this course, we have to go for pop-up. Click on create. Then it will ask you for name of pop-up. So for example, we want demo pop-up just to show you, and we want email opt-in. Then click on choose template. Now here you will see there are lots of by default template which you can choose. Okay, just select any template you want. For example, I want this template. I will simply click on choose template. And friends, here you will see full control over your pop-up. So first of all, you have to click on preview. So in your website, this is how this pop-up will going to look like. Okay, so it will show in your website like this. Now you can change your COVID-19 update, your description, your this logo. Okay, so to change that, just click on cross. Again, click on cross here. From here, COVID-19 update, you can write SEO weekly updates. Then scroll down. Here you can even provide one image if you want. If you will click here, you can see there are lots of images which you can provide. For example, you can even upload your images. Let me select this image, for example, use this image. So we have added this image. You can even change the content, whatever you want to write, you can write here. Then everything is done. Click on publish, click on cross. Again, just review your pop-up. So now you can see that image which we have replaced has come here. SEO weekly update has come. You can even change these headings if you want to. Click on cross, again click on cross. Now friends, if you will click on these emails, so now here you have to connect your MailChimp with this pop-up, so that whenever someone will visit your website and if that pop-up will come, so if they will subscribe, so if you want to send all those information to your MailChimp, so how you can do that? It's again very easy. You simply have to click on these integrations. You can see this option of integration. Now open this in a new tab, just right click, you will see this open in a new tab option. Just open it in a new tab and just scroll down. Here you will see they have lots of email marketing software, MailChimp, Mautic, okay, and everything. So we have to go for Mautic, so click on MailChimp plus button. So from here you need to put your API key. So just again go to your MailChimp, this was our API key, just copy it, just go here and paste the API key, then click on connect. So your MailChimp is successfully connected. It was super simple. Okay, again just go to your system, again just click on update, or make sure that you update it or refresh your website one time. So after you will refresh your website, if you will scroll down, okay, so these are the options. So what you can do friends, from here you can see this text. So whenever someone will sign up for your newsletter, so what message you want to show, so you can write, for example, let's say we have gone with double opt-in. Okay, so we can write here, thanks for subscribing, check your email form for confirmation. Okay, so because we have opt-in for double opt-in, we are saying to our visitors that you have subscribed successfully, but if you want to subscribe it, so you have to check your email for confirmation. So when your visitor will go to his or her Gmail, and when he will open his email and when he will confirm it, then only he will be added to your list. Very simple. Then just scroll down here, you don't need to do anything. Then you simply have to click on update once again, then go to integrations, and right now you can see active apps are local list and connected apps. So these two are showing. Okay, so here you in MailChimp you will see this plus button, just click here, you have to click on continue. Bing Commerce Affiliate was the name. Okay, if you have created more lists, then you will be able to see this, but at very starting we have put our audience name as this. So this was the thing I have put for myself. So whatever you have put, that will show up here, then click on continue. If you want to add text, you can do that, but I will leave it, just click on continue. So now friends, what will going to happen here, you will see in Hustle dashboard, if you will open in a new tab, so whenever someone will going to sign up, so all the list will going to show up here, okay, of those people. Along with that, all those information will also go to MailChimp as well. So it will also going to show up in dashboard, as well as all the people who have subscribed in your list, all those information will also go to your MailChimp. It's super simple. Then after you will do this, just click on appearance. So now from here you can change the appearance of your pop-up. So for example, we want it only, because I don't want to do lots of changes here. Okay, then just go to visibility. Then from here you can put rules where you want to show this. So for example, if you will click on add condition, so I will choose post, pages, I will go to WooCommerce, I will select products. If you want to select more, you can do that. In general, you can see there are lots of options. So after you will do this, just click on add conditions. So these conditions have been added. So this is the condition. So in this case, I will not going to put any conditions. Why I deleted? Because I want to show this pop-up in my whole website. Okay, so that's the reason I've deleted it. So it's up to you. If you want to, you can do that. Then after you will do this, just click on behavior, and from here you can choose when you want your pop-up to show. So for example, you can choose immediately. That means whenever someone will visit your website, he will be able to see that pop-up immediately. But if you will choose to scroll, so whenever someone will scroll 20% of your website, then he will be able to see these scroll up. So for example, I change it to, let's say, 50. That means I'm telling to this plugin that when someone will visit to my this website, and if he will scroll 50% of my website, so then show that pop out. Okay, so I have selected this. I will remove this immediately one, and I will also on this exit intent. So what is this? Here actually what will happen if someone will try to exit your website, then one pop-up will going to show. So this is the option of exit intent. After you will do this, just click on save changes, even just click on update just for extra safety. Okay, so this is our website. So let's copy this website and let's see whether it is working or not in private window. Just open this website. So now we have set one rule that pop-up will going to show when we scroll to 50% of our website. So let's scroll it 50% of our website. You can see, friends, when we have scrolled 50% of our website, so this pop-up has come. Okay, so people can put their email and they can subscribe from here. Also, if you will again just remove these and let's again go to private window and let's show whether it's working in an exit mode or not, because we have also put one rule that when someone will exit our website, so that pop-up must show. So this is our website. So see, I am taking my cursor to close this website. Okay, so this pop-up will going to show now. So friends, you can see when we have taken our cursor to close this website, this pop-out has again come. So this is how this works. So let's test this by putting one email. So for example, I have one this demo vinaybodile23@gmail.com email. Okay, so this is the email I am putting. So after you will put this email, just click on get updates. So friends, you can see we have put this text that whenever someone will subscribe it, they will see this message. It is showing thank you for subscribing. Check your email for confirmation. So in this email, I sure shot have got one email. So I will just go here. This is the email. I will click on this Gmail. And friends, here you can see this is the first email which I have got. Being commerce affiliate, please confirm subscription. And when I will click on yes, subscribe me to this list, so I will successfully be added to the list. So this is how your customers can do. Okay, so hope you guys have understood the idea. I'm not a robot. Subscribe, and it is now showing your subscription to our list has been confirmed. So this is how your visitors can do with your website as well. So now let's see whether in our MailChimp the list is showing or not. Just go to audience, just refresh it. So now friends, after you have refreshed it, you can see now it is showing two contacts. Okay, so this is how this works. So if you will click on this two, so now friends, you can see I have got this email which I have used to sign up over here. So hope you guys have understood how these things work. So we have successfully connected our account with our website. We have created forms and we have created pop-ups. Now we will going to create campaigns. So now we will going to learn how you can create one plain text email which you can send to your audience. So to do that, you simply have to click on this create on very large on left. You will see this icon, just click here. Then you will see this option of email, click here. Now we will going to first talk about plain text. So just click on this plain text, write campaign name, plain text demo, click on begin. Now you will see that Bing Commerce affiliate list has 2 subscribers and we want to send this to entire audience which are in this list. That means we have 2 subscribers, so we will going to send to 2 recipients. Then click on next, and friends, from here you can write subject line, for example SEO tips to rank website like this, and you can even write preview text, but we won't do anything. From name, so we put this as name. From email address, that means with the help of this email address our emails will going to be sent. Then click on this verify domain, so I will send verification email on this email. Now it is asking to verify this email. Now they have sent me this verification email. Their MailChimp is actually asking you need to verify that whatever email which you are using to send this email is actually yours or not. So they have sent me one code in that email address. So this is the code. I will just copy this code. I will go to MailChimp and I will put the verification code and I will click on verify. So domain successfully verified, done. So after you will do this, from here you have to write the text. So whatever text you want, you can write this text. For example, I write hope you are doing well, and you can write more text, whatever you want. And from here you can just remove these from footers if you want to. For example, I don't want this much. So this is the content which we have written, and this is the content which our subscribers will going to read when we send email. So after you will do this, just click on this next button. So from here you just have to verify everything. Audience, okay, we will going to send to 2 people because 2 people are in this list. Then subject line is this, reply is with this email. That means suppose for example, if someone will going to reply us, we will going to receive that message with this email address. Tracking and plain text email, then you will going to see we have this option of send. You simply have to click here and click on send now. So friends, we have finally sent that plain text demo email. Now the second type of email will be regular emails. How you can create regular emails. So just again click on create, click on emails. Now we have to create regular emails. So you can write regular email demo, click on begin. Now it is telling you each and everything we will going to send to 2 recipients which are in this Bing Commerce affiliate list. From that means who is sending the campaigns, you can edit. For example, this email address will going to send the message. Okay, everything is great. Subject, what will be the subject line? Again, you can write SEO tips to rank high. Click on save. Then you can design your email. So if you will click on design, click on classic builder, select this. Now friends, we have already taught you how you can create your templates and everything. But for this purpose, we have already made one template in previous videos. Just click on save template. Here is the demo template which we have created. If you will select this template. So friends, this is the template which we can use for these regular emails. You can even customize it if you want to, but most amazing thing, we have already taught you how you can create templates. So whatever templates you will going to create, that will going to show inside your save template, and from there you can directly use them like we did it here. Okay, so we will going to use this template. Click on continue. So friends, after you will do this, this is your email that will automatically going to get imported here. It's very easy. So everything is done, then you simply have to click on send, and you have to click on send now. So friends, you can see that this email has been sent to these 2 subscribers. So it was a regular email. So with the help of regular emails, you can send those emails on the regular basis to your audience. No thanks. Now we will going to learn how you can create automated emails. So it's again very easy. You can again go to create, or from here also you can create campaigns. But right now we just click here, click on emails, click on automated. Then there are lots of options which you can choose. So here we have email subscribers when they are tagged, say happy birthday, share blog updates. So whatever you want you can go, but most common is this one. Okay, you can choose this one. And this is our list, Bing Commerce affiliate single welcome email. Click on begin, and everything is same friends. You can see you will going to get this edit design. You can edit your content from here. So we have taught you how you can customize these things and everything. Okay, so you can do this, and after you will do this, just click on save and continue. So what actually automated emails will going to do, it will help you to send emails automatically. For example, someone is subscribed to your list, so you can send them one welcome email by saying them, hey guys, thank you so much that you have subscribed to my list. You can give them more of your videos, blogs, or whatever you want, you can give to them. You can talk about your brand, that your name, when you have started your business, what you will get with your business. So all these things you can write in welcome email. So here you will see these edit details, and here you can see that it is right now selected as immediately. So MailChimp is asking whenever someone will subscribe, so when do we send this email to your client? Immediately, or after 1 hour, after 6 hours, or after 1 day? So you can go for 1 hour, you can click on save. So now whenever someone will going to subscribe, MailChimp will going to send this email to your subscribers who have subscribed inside your list every after 1 hour. Okay, so whenever someone will subscribe, so after 1 hour, one automated email will be sent by MailChimp, and the content will be this. And you can now click on sendings, and you can click on start now. So your automation for subscribers has been set up. You can create more automations from here, but right now I just want to teach you how you can do that, but it's totally up to you. If you want to, you can do that. Now we will going to do everything for our e-commerce business. Now for example, if you want to set up thank you email, that means whenever someone will purchase from your website first time, and you want to send them one thank you email, and there you can offer them coupons so that they can buy more. Also you can create abandoned cart emails as well. So for example, someone has put lots of products to your cart and they left your website and they haven't proceed to payment, so you can send them extra emails to make them remember that you have forgotten some products in cart, please do purchase it. There also you can offer them coupons. It's very easy to do. So let me go to MailChimp. So it's very easy guys. What you actually need to do, you first need to connect your e-commerce website with MailChimp. For example, this is my website, shop.beingcommerce.in is my website, and here I want to add that functionality. So first we will going to connect our MailChimp with our e-commerce business or website. So you have to go to your plugins, click on add new. From here just search MailChimp, and here you will see MailChimp for WooCommerce. Click on install now and then click on activate. Now it is giving you option to connect your account. It's very easy. You simply have to connect your account with MailChimp. Now just click on create account. Now here you have to put the username and password which you have used to create your account of MailChimp. After you will do this, just click on login. Now it will ask you to allow MailChimp to connect with your e-commerce business. Just click on allow. So now friends, your MailChimp account is successfully connected. You can see connected. Okay. Now here you have to name anything you want to, for example name, email, street number, ID, postal code, etc, etc. Okay, so these are the things. You can change your locals and everything. Then click on next tab. Okay, phone number it is asking. Okay, then click on news tab. Now you need to connect your store with an audience. So whatever list you have created, that list will going to automatically come here. So it is selected being commerce affiliate. Amazing. Just select from name, email, which email you want to use to send email. So for example here I also want to write customer @kunal lonhare .co.in. So whatever email you want to use to send your emails to your clients, you can use or write that email over here. After you will do this, here you will going to see friends this option of visible checkout by default. So what this will going to do, right now you can see in checkout, when a customer will check out in my website, he will see this email address, and here right now it will not going to show anything. But for example, if you will put every of these things, let make everything like this, and when you will click on start sync, and when you will go to your checkout page, and let's refresh our checkout page once after doing that. So now friends, you will be able to see in after email address we are getting this option subscribe to our newsletter. So if you will select that option, so you will see this facility. That means when someone will going to buy your product and service, they can even subscribe to your newsletter from here directly. So this is very powerful. Okay, now friends, what we need to do, we need to go to our MailChimp and we need to create campaigns. Okay, so now guys, before we create any kind of emails, first let's create coupons that we can offer to our client with the help of emails. So just go to WooCommerce or your WordPress dashboard. From there you will see WooCommerce option, click on coupons. Now friends, see, if you guys don't know how to create one e-commerce website or anything like that, I again say in very down in this course bonus lesson I have provided one link on how you can create one professional e-commerce website. You can watch that course and you can learn everything. Now here you will see create your first coupon option. Just click here. Now here you have to write the coupon name. For example, I write save 10. That means we are giving our customer 10% discount. Okay, so we are writing this name of coupon. So whenever someone will put this save 10 in checkout, he will going to get discount. So here we put fixed percentage discount. Let's put it 10% discount. Okay, and you can write the expire coupon date. That means when this coupon will going to get expired. And from this usage restrictions, you can do lots of other things, like you can select products, in which products you want to get this coupon implemented, and there are many things, and the important things come here is of usage limits. So make sure that you write it one. That means users limit per user. That means one user will only be going to be able to use one coupon code. So this is the user per limit. Okay, you can just simply publish this coupon so that people can use this save 10 in checkout to get 10% discount. So this is how you can create coupon. Again, go to MailChimp. Now friends, we can create emails easily. So right now we are going to create first thank you email to our first customer. That means whenever any customer who will be very much new and purchase from our website first time, we will going to send him a thank you email, and there we can even provide them coupon code so that he can purchase more from our website like that. You simply have to click on this button. From here also you can click on campaigns, but click on this pencil of create, click on emails. Now we need to send automated emails, and right now we need for e-commerce. Just click on this e-commerce, thank first time customers. So this is the option which you need to choose. There are many other options like retarget, site visitors, follow up on purchases, abandoned cart, win labs customers, reward your first customers. So let's first go for this one, thank first time customers. Choose your list which you have created and then click on begin. Now friends, this is giving you an overview. That means whenever someone will purchase from our website first time, one thank you email will be sent to them after 1 hour. So you can even edit this. For example, you can put it by day, week, or immediately, but make it 1 hour only. Schedule for every day, okay? And there are many things, and from here you can just design your email. And here you have to write the name, thank you for your purchase, email subject, preview from which name it will going to send, which email address, and after you will define these things, just click on next. Then comes the template option. So from here you can choose the different templates that you can use for this purpose. So for example, I go to save template. This is the template I have created. I will again go here, and now you can customize this template. I have told you how you can do this everything. You can even write or make one banner and showing that there is one coupon available, save 10%. You can even link them with products. Okay, so for example, we right now do not want this, just delete this and just click here. Here you can write thanks for purchase blah blah blah. You can change this text, thank you, we have one good news for you, you have coupon to shop more. So you can just write one beautiful text over here. Right now I'm not writing much, but hope you are getting idea. Just click on save and close, and right now you will going to see here we have option of promo code. You can just drag this code here like this. Okay, so this is the promo code. So your promo code is save 10. Okay, you can just write these. Everything is same. And okay, so right now I think we have not refreshed our website. So whatever promo code you will going to create, that promo code will going to show up here. Okay, so this is the promo code. So when you will create your promo code, so right now we have created save 10. So that will going to show you, but right now that is not showing me, but in your case it will going to show you. Okay, so after you will do this is the coupon code which they can use. You can choose the expiry date if you want to. Let's remove the expiry date like this. Click on save and close, and from down just click on save and continue button, and after you will do this just click on this next button, and you can see this is your review section. Okay, it is saying you that we will going to send to this list these things, etc. And here you will see start sending. So if you will click here, so MailChimp will going to start work, and whenever any new customer will purchase from your website, it will going to send an email after 1 hour telling them that thanks for purchasing, you can again purchase, we have 10% offer. You can even link with more products if you want to. Okay, so there are many things you can do. So just click on this start sending. Click on start sending. Now MailChimp will going to start send emails to your e-commerce business. So it was super simple, super easy to create automation. Now let's see how you can create abandoned cart emails. So now let's understand what is that. If you will go to my shop website, here you will see there are lots of products. For example, a customer comes and for example, this is one watch. Okay, this is one watch. Black and Russia Federations. Okay, from China. Click on add to cart. So now you can see when he has done lots of shopping. Okay, so after doing everything, for example, if you want to shop more, for example, or let's say let's take this much off, and from here he will be able to see that he has added this much of products. Then when he will click on checkout, or if you directly click on this checkout button, both will take him to checkout page. Now for some reason a customer comes, he put every of these details but he haven't placed order and he left your website. Now your customer has not paid you, so you can send him emails and tell them, hey, you have forgotten to purchase this product which you have added in your cart. So how you can add this functionality with the help of MailChimp? So it's very easy. Just go here, click on create, click on emails, click on automated. Now here we have this turn on abandoned cart emails. Just select this one, select this, click on begin. These are the options. You can design your emails. Click on design emails. From here it will going to give you some templates. I will highly suggest these are the free templates. You can use these templates. So I will use middle template for example. Now you can see you can put your logo here. I've told you how you can do that. It's very easy. Just replace it with your logo and everything will be same. Okay, so I've told you how you can change this template, but here you do not need to do anything. You just need to change your email. Now this thing is created with the help of code. So for example, here you can see that this person has left with these products, these three products. Okay, these three products. So MailChimp will automatically going to convert this product and it will show this product over here. Okay, so you do not need to do anything over here. Now you might also like these. So these are the some different products which we will going to show after checkout, so people can also take this product for example. Now for example, if you will click on save and close, here also you can provide the coupon code. So for example, I place the coupon code over here, and for example, let's say any coupon code. So this is the coupon code, delete expiration. So you can also give them coupon codes. Click on save and close, and from down just go and click on save and continue. So this is the template email of your abandoned cart. So you can use this, very best, very beneficial. It will going to generate revenue for sure if someone has abandoned your cart. Okay, so it will bring those customers back to your website and you can make them purchase again. Okay, so then it will going to give you an option of start sending. You can click there and you can click on start. So you can see MailChimp has activated that abandoned cart emails. So whenever someone will going to leave your checkout page without making payment, so he will going to receive emails where we will tell them that you have forgotten these 3 or 4 products, please purchase it. You can offer them your coupon codes, etc, etc. Okay, so this is how you can use MailChimp. So we have finally completed all tutorials. Hey guys, thank you so much that you people have stick with me and completed the full video course, and I hope that you guys have loved watching the short mini video course which we have provided you. Now I just want you to give some information that we have our own website, so you can just visit to this website academy.beingcommerce.in. Just type this URL and click on enter. You will come to this website. Now when you will click on courses, so you will see we have tons of different courses for very affordable and fixed price. So if you are interested, so you can also take these courses from our website. But the most important thing which I want to tell you is that our lifetime plan. Now when you will click on this lifetime, you will go to this lifetime plan. So here whatever courses, paid courses we have in our Udemy or any educational website or in our website, so when you will take the lifetime plan, you will going to be able to access all the existing paid courses we have. Plus we will also going to give you free lifetime access to our new uploading courses every month. So every month we will going to launch new courses, so we will also going to give you those new launching courses every month for free, so you can access those new courses lifetime for free. So this is a benefit of this lifetime. So make sure if you guys are interested, you can just go to this website, that is academy.beingcommerce.in. Just type in your browser academy.beingcommerce.in, then click on enter. You will visit to this website. It is that simple. Or you can just simply search Bing Commerce on Google. Just search for Bing Commerce, click on enter. You will see the first URL, that is https://bingcommerce.in, Bing Commerce Hub. So you can just select this website, go to this website. From Bing Commerce you can select the learn skill courses, and from this website you can click on learn more. So from there also you can visit to our website. So either you directly just search on the browser academy.beingcommerce.in, or just go and search for Bing Commerce on search engine like Google, Yahoo. Just search there Bing Commerce and visit to our official Bing Commerce Hub website, and from there you can just visit to this website.
Also, before ending this video, I want you to tell you that we have our Instagram page. You can follow our Instagram page. You can see we have good followers in our Instagram page, so you can follow us in our Instagram page. You can also follow us on Facebook. You can see more than 105,000 people follow this page worldwide, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that you will going to get latest and amazing knowledge for free with our YouTube channel. So this was the important things which I want to tell you. First, about my website, where I have the courses. You can take them from here. Also, you can also acquire a lifetime plan. You can also follow our Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.